Unlocking the Power of Small Changes, a dive into atomic habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear emphasizes the profound impact of making small changes to your daily routines. These tiny adjustments can lead to remarkable results over time, transforming your life significantly. Habits are the small decisions and actions we perform daily without much thought. These routines powerfully shape our health, productivity, and happiness, influencing how we navigate our everyday lives. The beauty of small habits lies in their compounding effect. Like interest building in a savings account, even minor adjustments can grow into significant outcomes, profoundly affecting our overall well-being. James Clear presents the 4 laws of behavior change to help us cultivate beneficial habits. This framework simplifies habit formation into practical steps, making good habits inevitable and bad habits difficult. One effective strategy within this framework is making habits obvious. Enhancing cues in your environment can trigger behaviors automatically, setting the stage for positive habitual actions without relying on constant conscious effort. Making habits attractive boosts engagement and motivation, turning routine behaviors into compelling activities. By associating new habits with positive feelings, people can enhance their intrinsic motivation and look forward to performing them. To simplify habit formation, it's crucial to reduce friction. Streamlining processes makes it easier to adopt new behaviors without feeling overwhelmed. This approach increases the likelihood of habit adherence and long-term success. Ensuring that habits are satisfying reinforces the behavior, making it more likely to stick. Immediate rewards help create a positive feedback loop, which encourages repeated action and strengthens the habit over time. Identity plays a central role in habit development. When people align their actions with their self-image, they are more likely to maintain these habits. Viewing oneself as a person who embodies certain behaviors can solidify habit formation. Habit stacking, or layering new habits onto existing ones, provides a structured way to develop multiple behaviors simultaneously. This method leverages the already established routines as foundations for adding new habits, enhancing overall efficiency. The environment plays a crucial role in shaping our habits, often subconsciously. By optimizing our surroundings to support desired behaviors, we can significantly enhance the likelihood of making lasting changes. Overcoming challenges to bad habits involves a creative inversion of the 4 laws of behavior change. By making undesirable habits invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying, we can break them more effectively. Belief and mindset are the bedrock of sustained habit development. Cultivating a strong belief in one's ability to change and maintaining a growth mindset empowers individuals to stick with new habits. Tracking progress is essential for maintaining accountability and motivation. Simple tools like habit trackers or journals help visualize progress, identify patterns, and reinforce commitment to the habits we wish to cultivate. Through various case studies, it's evident that successful habit formation hinges on consistency and the right strategies. These stories inspire and offer practical insights into how real changes are achieved through small, daily actions. Addressing common pitfalls in habit formation is crucial for success. One frequent mistake is lacking consistency, which can be mitigated by setting clear, achievable goals and maintaining a regular schedule. The relationship between habits and goals is pivotal. Focusing on systems rather than outcomes ensures sustained progress. Systems encourage ongoing improvement and adaptability, which are essential for long-term success. Advanced tactics for habit mastery involve refining and adjusting behaviors as you gain experience. This could include increasing the difficulty of tasks or adding new, complementary habits to your routine. Rebounding from setbacks is a natural part of building habits. Maintaining consistency involves acknowledging failures, learning from them, and not allowing them to disrupt your progress. Integrating atomic habits into your life involves a comprehensive approach to personal growth. It's about making small, incremental changes that collectively transform your behaviors and mindset over time. To deep dive into the book, please buy the book by clicking on the link mentioned in the comments.